Got an old beast. This is a 2004. I think what it said. There in the corner. In the corner. 2004. Bad boy is 20 years old. Still kicking out ice. Been jerry-rigged a few too many times already. See, this is not OG. This is not OG. Not OG. Why didn't no one put a sight glass in here, man? Yay. Don't mind the solar eclipse, guys. Don't mind it. It's just super bright. Can't even see what we're doing here. Just doing a follow-up visit here. Last tech put in some some juju. Said it was low ambient temperatures causing issues. I mean, this thing don't got no nada. There's no diagnostic tool on this one. So, no flashy lights, no nothing. Judging by that ice, it needs a little bit more juju. And slated to be remodeled in about 8 months to a year. So I come through with the sniffy sniffer. You see her there. I had a comment on a previous. This is old school. They don't make this bad boy no more. You can still find it online. Great detector. If I break down and get me a new one, down on the bottom of the tool list is the 3rd generation. Gives you the parts per million. You don't need little bubbles. You don't need nothing. You got parts per million of refrigerant leak, HFCs, all that. They sell the adapter you put on a tip for combustion. You know, you don't no more need for 2 different meters. I can't even think about this ice machine when I start thinking about a new meter. Imagine if I milk this job out, 40 hours, it'll pay for one. Sell a gas pump, maybe 25 hours. Propane tank, gas can, garbage can, and a broom. Hell, I only need another 20 hours. Oh, I see an extension cord over there. I only need 15 hours of work and sell off all this junk laying around over here. I give me a new one. Replace that old boy. About 3 years ago, she was giving me trouble, and I went on and got a new battery. You gotta take it all apart, put a new battery in there, and she works fabulous. As far as any other issues with her, when she gets low on charge, she don't like to pick up leaks. So, you know, I normally use it anywhere between 4 and 5 hours, and then I throw it on the charger. It'll take, 4 hours to charge back up, and that's been a really good leak detector. I've had quite a few of them, a couple of the old school ones with leather pouches, and that's the cat's cradle. They got a good system going on there. They can smell that stuff a mile away. I wish. So we are raising up in pressures. We're at high side's pretty high. At 280 on the high side. Man, that's annoying. Oh man, I only got to work 12 hours. Look at that. We got us a good tire for a bicycle. It don't sound normal, folks. Oh man, a fishing lure? I'm gonna take that home for the boy. He'll like that one. Fishy, fishy, fishy. .300 head pressure. Definitely don't want to add no more juju.